Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to talk to you about Acorns and the refer codes here. So Acorn is basically an app that allows you to invest in money. So this is like probably the easiest way to invest, and I promise you, this is going to work for you. And techies, if you follow me on this, you're all going to get money. Okay, I'm going to show you updates as the months go on, more and more and more. It's going to be a part one video about it, but we're going to talk more about Acorn. I'm gonna make multiple videos about it, and I'm about to show you, one of the easiest things about this. So this is the thing. So all you have to do is put a recurring money into this Acorns, and they will invest for you. Okay, so if you go to investing, right now, I did $5 a day. Okay, they do $5, or it rounds up. So first, I'm going to show you the amount that you put in. Okay, so as of right now, um, I put in $5. Let's just say, they're going to distribute it. Across these VU, IGH, IJR, IXUS, ISTB, AGG, and Bitcoin, right? So all of your hard-earned money that you put in here every day or weekly or monthly or so on and so forth, every other week, they're going to put it into these stocks on its own. And these are going to go up on its own. So right now, the return that I have is 0.36%. It's not a minus. You know what I'm saying? Year to date earnings, I've earned 57 cents right now, and we just started. Imagine going to 200. Imagine going to 500. Imagine going to 1,000 and seeing the return. And these have dividends built onto them. Okay. So just like just having normal stocks, they're just doing it for you and making it a bit easier. You know what I'm saying? And there's also a thing called roundups. So what roundups does is it automatically pulls money from your debit card and it puts it into your Acorns for you. So let's say that you have a minimum of $5. So that's what it goes to, minimum of five, right? So whatever you pay. So if you buy something for $9.54, they're gonna they're going to round up more of that. They're going to round up more of that money and put it into the Acorns account. So, but it goes up to $5. You can set it to automatically do it to round up your spare change, or um, you can do it manually. You know what I'm saying? If you're feeling real risky for the bisky, you can multiply it by 10 or times 3 or so forth and so on. But this is probably the easiest way to really get an earning, and just earn from Acorn. And I have another video going to show um, that's going to show that you also going to earn money referring with me. Okay, you can also get a check-ins account with it if you want to, which is pretty cool. You can also get a check-ins account if you want to, just like Cash App and other apps that also do it. They give you more returns too for doing that. I'm not really doing that, but that's something you can do. There's emergency funds that you can explore, which is pretty cool. So it can save extra money. And there's different tiers for this, by the way. Now, this does cost money, but I'm telling you, I think it's worth it. It's $3 a month for them to do this for you. Just $3 a month. Think about this. This is for your future. If you have a 401, it's all going to make sense. So it's going to be just like the future. You know what I'm saying? So $3 a month, you get this done. Right, so that's cool. You can also upgrade to a silver to get an IRA contribution. So that means they'll match with you. You know what I'm saying, and other benefits as well. So there's more than just that on here. There's one-time investments as well where you can just put it in. You know what I'm saying, and then they have an invest inside of things as well. They show you early investment accounts, which is pretty cool, and then they show you that you can add custom stocks, but also that is an extra you have to also upgrade to do NVIDIA to add portfolio. Like you would have to add a Acorns Gold account to that. So that's also, you have to level that up. So I think that's $10 a month, maybe. But as you can see, you invested $90 in 30 days. So I just started this out, but I promise you, if you stick to this, you will be able to get a good return and go from there. You know what I'm saying? And it shows you learning. So it even helps you more. It shows you how to invest and what Acorn is doing. And then when you go to your earnings, it will show you other things that can help you out here. You have link card rewards. So let's say you use Cricket. they will invest extra money to it. So it's simply shop with the link card. Must be and it gives you the details. Purchase must be at least $5. Plan starts at $30. You know what I'm saying? So if you do that, it'll go right back into your account. So these things, like if you just naturally go to these places, it will also help your portfolio. Just with Acorn. We didn't even talk about Webull or any other apps yet, but we will. And when we get into it, it's going to be great. But until then, let's get it. Let's go. This is what Acorn is, and I'm going to show you another video soon. All right. Peace.